Hello everyone, I'm Durga Devi from the Department of Computer Science Engineering Cybersecurity. In operating system, in this video we're going to see about Linux process API system call. In Linux process API system call, we have a lot of system calls. In that we specifically see about three system calls, that is fork off, wait off and execute off. Fork off means creating a new process ID, that is a child process, from duplicating the parent process, and wait off makes the parent process to wait for a certain time until one of its child process gets terminated, and execute off replaces the current process image with the new process image. That makes the program work efficient. For that we taking an example program, C program to print process ID and parent process ID using Linux API system calls. For that, first we are just initializing the header files, and then in the main function we are getting the variable, initializing the variables using PID underscore T, that is process ID. Likewise we are initializing a parent process ID, and then we are getting input, and that will be stored in this variables. Likewise parent process ID, and just we are printing the values what we have get so far. And another example is C program to create new process using Linux API system calls, that is using fork off and exit off. For that program we are including the header files, and in the main program we are initializing a variable of data type in integer, and then PID is equal to fork off. If PID equal to 0 means we have to print like I am child, my PID is, my parent PID is. If it's not satisfied means we go to the else part, and that will be printing like I am the parent, my PID is. PID means the process ID. Sleep of 100, that makes the parent process ID to wait for 100 seconds, and then after finishing this it will be exit. For that we are giving a command as exit of 0. For the first program we will get the output as what we have given in the print, that is the process IDs and the value that will be getting, that will be printing in the output. And the second program also, if the if part satisfies means this output will be get. And finally we'll see the how to execute this program. First we have to open Ubuntu terminal. In the Ubuntu terminal we have to type vim.experiment.exp221.c, and then after you have to click I for inserting the code. Then we have to type the necessary code. After finishing typing we have to click escape, and then click :WQ. After pressing enter you will be in the terminal. Again you have to give the GCC command. After executing the GCC command we have to finally execute the file. For that we are using /experiment, the file name, that is the experiment221. Finally we get the output. Likewise the same steps has to be followed for the next program also. This is the final result. Thank you.